Hi, this is the Dallingridge Oxford. It's basically a fold-up electric bike, perfect for either town use or maybe going on a trip. For us, it would be about a trip and having an adventure, maybe your friend and yourself with one each. Yeah, let's have a closer look. All right, so yeah, the Dallingridge Oxford. It's a basic entry-level fold-up electric bike, and at the price point, we think it's a fantastic deal. It's got everything you need really for a basic electric fold up. We've even got front suspension, we've got your disc brakes and 250-watt rear hub motor. The battery just slides in and out for ease. Other features, you've got easy adjust seat stem, alloy crank, and here is the display, same as the Malvern and the Harlow. Really nice grips on it, really comfortable. Gear change is here on your grip, and you can adjust your handlebar height and angles and everything there as well. So it's got everything you need for a fold-up electric bike. So if you want a great value fold-up, then this could be the one.